Good morning, family here. First leg. First leg. Here now, you guys. Hello guys, so we're traveling today and light load because of the legs. So what we're gonna do is do this very simple, quick lipstick and do my eyebrow, guys. Look at that. I did not bring gloss yet. It's just powder, lip gloss, eyeliner, lipsticks, yeah. The lipsticks is on the one bullet, this one here, and then I got like one lip liner, and then I have this eyeliner for my two eyeliners. So this is our very like light load makeup, right? Nothing for the face because I don't want it too much, you know. Let's do the lip stain before the boat, and then I'll upload this video. See? I really like this so, where are we heading? Somewhere, and I'll take you later where we are going. And then of course, mask. We need the mask, right? Then that's it. That's our makeup for today. Very simple. Eyebrow, face powder, lip gloss with lip liner. Bye.